What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're taking care of the control arm issue on my F30. As I made it known on my Instagram, the passenger rear tow arm was completely broken in half on the day I picked up the car. So today we're going to address that issue, just waiting for this rain to die down. I'm gonna go hop in the F30, head over to my buddy's house, and we're gonna take care of that. Stay tuned.
Wanna say goodbye, yeah. Want your skin on my skin. Just one last time. If I can't have you, babe, I don't want nobody else in my life. So darling, please pull me closer. This is the last time, make it count now, baby. Yeah, darling, please pull me closer. It's not over until it's over. I know we get it all, we got there. We try, side by side, but I get it. Sometimes love's just not enough when you try, side by side, but things don't get better. You get bitter. Wanna say goodbye, yeah. Lay your head on my chest, just on my chest.
All right, y'all. So the tow arm is fixed. Shout out to my bro for helping me do the work while I record. But the control arm issue is fixed. The next issue to address would be tires and wheels. Then I gotta fix that passenger tail light. Tail light is cracked. The outer lens is cracked, and I don't think you could just buy the lens. You probably can, but when you have to put it on, it's glued on there. So my best bet would just be to get another tail light. Probably I'm looking online, is like around $100 or less. No, $100. Probably like 1 to 150, depending on where you get it from. So that's the next thing that I have to address. The car is always saying negative, as you guys can see, is always saying negative 40, and it's less than 40 degrees outside. The temperature is not right. So there's a sensor underneath the hood in there that needs to be fixed. Either there's a wiring issue that needs to be fixed. I'm aware of that because the shop did make me aware of it, and that's my responsibility to replace it. So I'm gonna take care of that. But the next thing to take care of is the wheels. I need to replace the tires. I need to replace that one wheel, because the shop, I don't know where they put my wheel. So yeah, that is the next thing for this car, guys. That is the next thing to be fixed. But if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment, subscribe, and give the video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Once again, guys, it's important that you subscribe to the channel. I have more videos coming. I know it's been a while since I dropped a video on this car, but the car is here now. I'm going to be doing a lot of parts replacement. I apologize, but I did not make a dedicated video on the interior trim. I did replace the wood trim that was in here. I replaced all the wood trim, as you guys can see, to the this aluminum type, and I really like it. I was going to make a dedicated video, but it was at night. I started doing it. I was like, you know what, oh well, I'll just do it. I just installed it without making a video. But I'm going to make a dedicated video just probably talking about that, or I'll just put a piece of that in one of my videos and just talk a little bit about it and the whole process. But yeah, man, again, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.